First appearing in the infamously bad X-Men Origins, Wolverine. Ryan Reynolds was a fantastic fit for the role, but the majority of fans really wanted to see him wear that glorious red outfit and engage in some of the fourth wall-breaking humor for which he is so well known in comic books. We eventually got that 7 years later with the release of the first Deadpool movie in 2016, followed by Deadpool 2 in 2018. Only Joker has earned more money for R-rated movies worldwide than these two. Given their R rating, the Deadpool flicks are likely to have had foul-mouthed, obscene humor, which is entirely acceptable for a self-aware superhero spoof. In the current multiverse saga taking place in the MCU, stars and characters from earlier continuity and other universes don't come as much of a surprise. However, Ryan Reynolds dropped an utter bombshell statement that a certain Claude hero will be making a startling comeback when he shared an update for the much-anticipated Deadpool 3 on his YouTube channel. Deadpool 3's release date has been adjusted twice. The movie was originally scheduled to come out on September 6, 2024, but then rescheduled its release date to November 8, 2024. Disney made the unexpected revelation that the movie's release date has been moved ahead to May 4, 2024. That makes it 4 months ahead of when it was supposed to be released. Tim Miller was the original director of the Deadpool series, followed by David Leitch for the sequel, and now a brand new filmmaker will helm the series. Ryan Reynolds and Shawn Levy, the director of Deadpool 3, previously collaborated on the time-traveling family film The Adam Project and the video game Satire Free Guy. Shawn Levy is currently receiving praise for his work on Stranger Things. Deadpool 3 filming is about to start up very soon. Beginning in May of this year, London will be filmed. This is distinct from the previous two movies, which were shot in Canada's Vancouver.